Hi, this is JD. In this video, I will talk about how I plan to install this hinged baby gate. Now what you're seeing here, it's not currently installed yet. It's propped up there using tension only, and that's just so that I could mark on the walls where I need to install the end pieces and the hinges. So right here I have my tools laid out. I think I'll only need either, the screwdriver or the drill, or, probably both of them, and a stud finder to make sure I'm hitting some studs back there behind the wall, and also a level to make sure things are nice and plumb and square so that we don't have issues opening and closing the gate. And these are the hinges and the end pieces. Now you can choose to install the hinges and end pieces on whichever side you want to make sure the door swings the way you want it, on the left or the right. In this case, I'm going to put the hinges on the left side over by the banister here. And that's another thing to watch out for, to make sure you have it low enough so you're not slamming into the banister when you open and close it. And also not to put it too low so that you don't hit the molding there when you install the end pieces, because there's a bit of an offset between where you mark the plastic pieces and where the screws need to go into the wall. So that's another gotcha. Now I bought this at a yard sale for about $20. It normally goes for twice that, as far as I can find online. And one thing to note also, when you buy these kinds of things at a yard sale, not all the pieces may be there. I've seen some with missing end pieces, plastic pieces at the end, which are really hard to replace if it's not there. But fortunately, this one has all of them in place there. The one thing that was missing was a screw, and I substituted it there with a black one up top there. And that's not a big deal. So I'll go ahead and start doing the installation and take another video along the way. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next video in the series. As always, thanks for watching.